The most important part of the camshaft is the connecting rod side clearance. And as you can see right there, I have the feeler gauge at 17 millimeter, which is a little bit in the middle point. It goes from 0.0 to 0.30. So 0.15 is about the center point. Let me double check that. Yeah, 0.10 to 0.3. So 30. I'm going 2 millimeters over the center point. So 15 to 10 to 30. So I'm going 17, but as you can see, the spacing between the two is set exactly at 17. And I'll go ahead and tighten these down and then torque it. In addition to that, what's also important is the order that you take it out. Now when you take it out, it's upside down. The only way to take this crankshaft out is upside down. So when you flip it over to do your piston rings, you got to reverse the order. So you're working backwards. So lay it out and then swap them. But don't swap the connecting rods, because you're doing the connecting rods exactly the same. But they're marked front and rear also. So you got to organize all that, including the side clearance. Now if you don't get the side clearance here, the connecting rod will bind or it will bend. So it's essential that you get that. That is the most important aspect right there. I measured out the bearings, and the bearings are almost the same dimensions as brand new ones. So I'm not going to change them or get new ones. They're identical to almost new ones. So I'm going to leave the original bearings in, given that it has no damage or no problem at all. So that is the most important part right there.